whoa. It's getting crazy, man. I gotta stay disciplined. Corona's in the way. I miss my bro, I can't visit him. One brother fresh home, another one arrested.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we have another mock driving test, and any of you that want to save time and money on your driving lessons, please check out this video for my course, which is the ultimate driving course.
The videos obviously help you because you're going into that lesson knowing exactly what you're going to do, and just having that knowledge just makes that lesson faster and you feel a lot better.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons. Okay, so today's learner driver is Hamzy, and guys, for those of you that don't know, the learners that turn up here, just like Hamzy has today, I've never met them before. They're just here for me to assess their driving, so they haven't had any lessons with me, and they just want to find out if they're ready for the actual driving test or not. Yeah. So Hamzy, could you tell us a bit about your driving?
Man, I drive sometimes. No, I've had some lessons.
Okay. So you drive sometimes and you had some lessons.
I've had some lessons.
How many lessons have you had roughly?
Around, I think like 6. So it's like 11 hours altogether. So it's 2-hour lessons.
Okay, so 6 2-hour lessons, that's 12 hours, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, right. And you haven't had a test yet, have you?
No.
Okay, cool. So you know how these mock tests work? Yeah. If you do make a mistake, I won't say anything at all. Yeah. Okay, we'll talk about that at the end of the test. But for you guys who are watching, I will talk about any faults that happen just beforehand. Yeah. And any serious faults will be marked in red text. Any normal faults will be in amber text. And yeah, any of you that do want to take part in one of these mock tests, which is absolutely free because you guys allow me to upload them onto YouTube, all you need to do is Hamzy, what did you do to get a mock test with me?
I just DM'd him.
On what?
Instagram
at DJN Driving, but I just choose people randomly from there. Yeah, I do get loads of messages, so sorry if I can't reply to everyone. Yeah, and I picked up Hamzy from the train station, and he tells me we was having a conversation. Yeah, and there's a few things that he does. So you want to mention what you do, and I'm always up for any of you who are on this channel to promote promote whatever you want, really. So
yeah, well, I've got this shiny coat on today. Street Philosophy. Check that out. It's my brand.
So is that on Instagram?
Instagram. There's a website.
Cool.
Yeah.
And obviously I'll put the links there on the video. And there's something else that you do?
Really? I spit bars sometimes.
Yeah. So he does a bit of rapping.
Bit of rapping, bit of singing, auto tune, all of that.
So okay, rapping's all good, but can you rap while you're on a driving test?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So what we'll do today, something different. Yeah, obviously we're going to do that test as normal, but at some point, yeah, I'll ask you to share a bit of your rapping, yeah, while you're driving.
No
Unless
worries.
you can focus on the rapping and you're driving as well, yeah.
Can do that.
Okay, and it won't be easy. I'll ask you when we come into a bit of a challenging part as well, yeah. Okay, so yeah, whenever you're ready, if you could move off the show me, tell me questions. Have you done them yet?
Nah.
Okay, we'll leave them out for now then, yeah. But make sure you do go through them, yeah, as the examiner will ask you them on your test, yeah.
Yep.
Right then, so move off whenever you're ready, please. Before moving off from a parked position, you should check both blind spots. Hamzy doesn't check the right blind spot. He also forgets to release a handbrake when moving off.
Yeah. Going straight ahead.
Tin left here. You forgot the handbrake, yeah? Tin left. Not the best start, and it gets even worse as he makes a serious fault when emerging out at this junction. And at the end of the road, if you could turn right please. Firstly, he stops too soon, way before the giveaway marking, which isn't the serious fault. But then he is about to merge out onto the main road when there is a vehicle approaching. I had to ask him to stop. Okay, brake. There's a van there, yeah. So before you edge out here, just make sure you can see it's clear down there. You see, we haven't got much of a view down there, have we? So lean your body forward. Park up anywhere safe on the left please. He parks up well in a good position. When moving off, Hamzy doesn't get the biting point, so rolls back. Okay, and if you could move off please when you're ready. And again, he doesn't check the right blind spot and forgets to release a handbrake before moving off. At this left turn, Hamzy is just way too fast. He keeps the clutch pedal down, which gives him less control, so the speed is too high. He ends up on the other side of the road when turning. And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left please. When parking up, Hamzy mounts the pavement. Luckily, he didn't hit the tree. And then he moves forward to sort out his positioning, but doesn't carry out any observations before moving. He should have looked out for any overtaking vehicles.
Oh, I hit the car. I did hit the car.
Thank you, and move off when you're ready please. When moving off, he brings the clutch pedal up too quick, so stalls. And again, he doesn't check the right blind spot before moving off. And because this is happening every time, I've marked it as a serious driving fault. It makes it even worse because when I asked him at the end of the test, Hamzy does know that he should check the right blind spot, so he does have the knowledge. Now this is the part where Hamzy will be rapping. It's gotta be better than his driving. Okay, time to hear some rapping then.
Time to hear some rapping.
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go then.
Alright.
And we're going to be turning right at the end of the road as well, yeah?
Alright. Let's go.
Yep, let's go.
It's getting crazy, man. I gotta stay disciplined. Corona's in the way. I miss my bro. I can't visit him. One brother fresh home, another one arrested. One bus case, he's not the one to mess with. Free the guys and free Palestine. Well, you came to this country for a better life. Is life better? Officer, don't ask why I'm resisting. I'm innocent. I need to be there for my siblings. I got one of them faces that you can't forget. Come on. Something like. Can't give you lot too much. If you want to see the rest of that, go on YouTube. You'll find out Hustler's Prayer 3.
The rapping wasn't too bad, was it, guys? If you want to hear more, please check out Hamzy's socials and give him some support.
It's a lot better than your driving so far. The rapping was.
The rapping is much better than my driving.
At this uphill junction, he struggles to move off and stalls. I had to help him out.
Then you need to add something about stalling and clutch control in your rapping.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll have another freestyle for that.
Okay, you gotta press the gas, yeah. You're not pressing the gas, that's it. Go on, a bit more acceleration. Keep the clutch there. More acceleration on more acceleration. That's it.
It's more like a driving test. No, it's more like a driving lesson than a test.
When passing parked vehicles, you should keep around a metre of space, enough for car doors to open. If you can't keep that much space, then you should slow down when passing. Hamzy is driving pretty close to these parked vehicles.
Get the traffic lights turn right, please.
Not too sure what he was thinking of at this right turn. He approaches too fast and drives too far forward. I had to intervene.
Okay, turn here. Turn. Steer back to the left.
As you guys may have noticed, Hamzy needs to improve his general mirror checks. Here the two lanes merge, so he should check the centre and right mirrors to look out for anyone that may be overtaking. He doesn't check any mirrors and at the same time is about to hit the curb.
Get away from the curb.
The speed limit is 30 miles per hour and Hamzy is doing around 35, so I have to ask him to slow down.
Okay, you need to slow down a bit now. Brake. Yeah. Speed limit is 30, yeah.
The taxi to our right pulls out in front of us and then brakes, something he obviously shouldn't have done. It's a situation that Hamzy could have anticipated and reacted to better. He reacts too late and again I had to intervene.
Brake. Okay, now if you could follow signs to Dudley for me, please.
Okay.
This first roundabout isn't too bad. His approach speed is a bit fast and he doesn't check the mirrors when exiting. But because he doesn't change lanes and exits onto the right hand lane, it's okay. And we are turning right again at this next roundabout. Now he's in the correct lane for turning right. But for some reason, Hamzy decides to use the left lane to turn right at the roundabout.
It's right again here, yeah? Right. Right third exit at this roundabout.
Is it right, third exit?
Yeah.
When exiting the roundabout, his mirror checks are late. He only checks them as he begins to steer towards the left. He should have checked them earlier.
Okay, at this roundabout, if we could continue, still following the signs of Dudley, which is straight ahead, first exit.
On the approach to this roundabout, instead of keeping to the left lane, Hamzi drifts to the right. There is another vehicle there, so I had to intervene.
Keep to the left. Left. Stay to the left, yeah? This exit here.
Hamzi has built up his speed well and is driving at a good speed on this dual carriageway and isn't too slow. But he reacts late to the white vehicle that is overtaking and then entering our lane.
Okay, brake more. Steer to the right a bit.
That wasn't very... Where we going?
Straight ahead.
Okay.
We're still following the sign to Dudley. Okay, normal sign following now, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't think you're following them anyway, were you?
On the approach to this roundabout, he stops too early and then rushes off the clutch. So this happened.
Whoa.
Yep, definitely injured my neck there.
Okay, at this roundabout, if you can go straight ahead, please.
Another serious fault for lane discipline here, as Hamzi drifts to the right hand lane as he enters the roundabout. Now we're entering a car park in which I'm going to ask Hamzi to do the reverse bay parking maneuver.
And turn left into this car park.
As he enters the car park, he's in third gear and too fast. He stalls pretty bad.
It's because of third gear.
Okay, brake. Okay, restart the car. Clutch down. Turn the key.
I think even my car had had enough by this point.
Okay, handbrake, neutral. Take the key out for me. Turn it towards you. Take it out. Try it again. That's it. Handbrake down. And if you could just stop around here now. Stop here and reverse and turn your bay on the left, please.
Before reversing, whether it be for a maneuver or in general, you should check all around, including both blind spots and out of the back window. Hamzi doesn't do any of those checks. Now he realizes that our vehicle isn't inside the bay, so decides to readjust. I ask him to continue reversing so the waiting vehicle can pass. And again, when readjusting, he doesn't carry out any observations, but I've already marked that as a serious fault earlier.
Okay, reverse back a bit more, please, so they can pass.
That's the end of the test. I think Hamzy knows how that went.
That's fine, stop there. Okay, if you could just switch off the engine now, we're going to end the test here. Okay, so how do you think you did?
That was brilliant. No chance. That was
So good. So, how do you think the test went?
that wasn't a good test.
Yeah, I think the only good thing about that was, decent thing about that whole test was you rapping.
Yeah.
Okay, the driving, mate. I think you could see as well you're struggling a lot with the clutch.
Yeah.
Does that normally happen in your lessons?
I haven't had a lesson for a while, but at the beginning it was a problem. So it's just now I've just fell back into that problem.
Yeah, and there's like mirror work. There's hardly whenever we ask you to turn left or right, the first thing you're supposed to do is check your mirrors.
Yeah.
And then signal.
Yeah.
And even the timing of your signals is quite late, and you're not checking any mirrors.
Yeah.
So you just gotta go back to the basics. Yeah.
Yeah.
You need continuous lessons. That's the only thing that's going to help you.
Yeah.
Okay, but there's a lot of things you need to work on. Like, for example, like you said, you knew about the clutch. A few times you got quite close to the curb.
Yeah.
And quite close to the parked vehicles.
Yeah.
When moving off from a parked position, what should your final check be? The blind spot.
Yeah.
You're hardly doing any blind. There weren't any blind spot checks in your driving. Okay, even with this maneuver, before you start reversing, you're supposed to check all around thoroughly.
Yeah.
You're not. You were just using the camera.
Yeah.
Even when when you said, do you have to in one go? You can go forward and readjust on that. Yeah, but you've got to do your observations.
Yeah.
Okay. You weren't doing any observations.
Yeah.
The approach to a lot of the roundabouts, just rushing in. How many times did I ask you to brake today?
Quite a few times.
Yeah. You've got to be thinking have you done your theory test? Yeah.
I've done my theory test.
So when you did your hazard perception there,
Yeah.
and you have to look at the screen and look out for hazards.
Yeah.
That's totally missing from your driving at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, is that one time when that taxi pulled out?
Yeah.
As well. Yeah, you should be anticipating stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay, like once or twice you did when there was somebody approaching a crossing and that you did cover the brake, but a lot of the time there was no anticipation there, no planning.
Yeah.
Just rushing into situations.
Yeah.
And then following vehicles too close. Like on one of the dual carriageways, we were approaching a roundabout. You should have been slowing down anyway. But then the car on the right hand side that I just overtook us signal left. So what's he about to do? So just overtaking. You know, signaling left. So what's he about to do?
Turn.
Yeah, he's about to come in front of you, and you there's no sign of you slowing down at all.
Yeah.
I test you to brake.
Yeah.
But even if that car wasn't there, you shouldn't be approaching the roundabouts that fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So lessons, continuous lessons. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're quite off the mark from a driving test.
Yeah.
Okay. What I would like to see is I don't normally do this, but after those continuous lessons, come back and show us how much you've improved.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
I'll be back. Don't worry.
So but any questions?
No.
Right. So Hamzy, thank you very much for coming down and giving us this entertaining mock test. Yeah. And all the best with your rapping, your clothing brand, and guys, make sure you check out his social media channels and give him all the support. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man, I need all your support. You lot are going to see me back here, yeah? And it's going to be better than this time.
Yeah, it can't get any worse than that, yeah, to be honest. Right then, guys, so, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.